Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video I want to show you how to make a very simple DIY LED light shoes with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is two 9-volt batteries, two 9-volt battery clips, neodymium magnets, and two LED strips, and a steel toe shoe. Since these shoes are made with steel toes, steel is attracted to a neodymium magnet, so I can easily take these LEDs, attach neodymium magnets to them, and then stick them to the shoes, just like this. Now let's go and assemble this project and let's get started. First I'm going to solder 10 the LED strips. Next, take the 9-volt battery clips, solder the negative to negative, and then solder the positive to positive. And do this on both the LED strips, and there she'll look just like this. Next, plug in the 9-volt batteries to test out the LEDs. And there, this LED strip works. Plug in the second one, and there, this LED strip works as well. Not very bright because this camera does auto exposure, so it doesn't look as bright, but brighter in person. Next, I need to remove the protective paper that is covering the sticky adhesive. Now, I could just simply take these LED strips and stick them directly to the shoes, and that way they stay on permanently. But I don't want it to be permanent, so what I want to do is just simply remove this protective paper to reveal the sticky adhesive. And then simply take the neodymium magnets and stick it to the adhesive. As you can see, they stick in place. This is an alternative to make it easier to take the LEDs on and off the shoes. Place all the neodymium magnets and it should look just like this. Now, take the neodymium magnets and place it onto the shoe. And there, as you can see, it stays on. Not very well because the neodymium magnets aren't very strong, but I believe if I just position it just right, it should be just strong enough. Just like this. Next, take the 9-volt battery and stick it underneath the shoelaces. Holds the battery in place just like this. And now plug in the LED strip. And now simply take the LEDs and place it onto the shoe. And there she'll look just like this. And repeat the same process with the second shoe. As you can see, this looks amazing at night, and as you can see, it lights up very well. Actually, it's very bright. Much brighter in person compared to my camera because my camera has auto exposure, which causes the light to be a little bit more dim. But looking at this in person, it lights up very well and it's much brighter. This is actually very practical because when I'm walking around at night, I'm clearly visible by anyone, and if I'm wanting to walk around in a dark path, I can see where I'm walking. When I stand to point my shoes at something, you can see that it lights up even from a distance. I can see where things are before I step, which is very useful. And for safety, I can be seen from a long distance, so if any cars are driving by, they can see me. And when I'm walking around in the dark when it's really dark, I could be able to see everything. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple DIY LED light shoes with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.